Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning everyone. So we from Group 5 Mechatronics A morning session semester 1. Right now we will presentation about our PPS benchmark. So before we go next slide, I will explain about our title project. Uh, our title project is Cartesian machine with conventional control. Uh, on this context, we made we make a more simple Cartesian robot compared to more modern robotic system. In the context, the term of conventional refers to the way the control system moves, not to the Cartesian robot itself. Okay, next. Uh, so on the our project, we create a Cartesian machine product that is different from the usual ones, where the Cartesian machine generally run on a more complex system. We made it to be a simple system. We're able to move the Cartesian machine to run according to the linear coordinate axis. Next, can learn how to control system works, which is a conventional control that can move a Cartesian machine with a two push button. For the last, just like its name, project-based learning aims to be learning method that's problems project as result. That's produce project as a result. Okay, uh, I will introduce our team first. So our manager project is Mr. Sulistiono. Then I am with there is Abian as a mechanical and electrical. Then Murido Ali Imron as our administration, and Hana Rifana dan Dia Rifka as the research and research. Okay, next slide.
This slide shows that the project planning process is carried out in stage and systematically. In the first week, we held a kick-off meeting for the PBL. At this stage, we focus on searching for and collecting literature relevant to the project data we would be working on. The goal is to determine the direction of the project, understand the basic concepts, and decide on the title and problems we want to solve. Next, in the second week, we begin to develop a project implementation plan. This stage includes developing a flowchart, planning the product construction, creating an electrical circuit schematic, and determining the necessary components. This stage is important to ensure that our project has clear and structured steps. Then in the third week, we gave a presentation on the PIP we had created. In addition, we also complete the necessary administrative forms and documents according to the components to be used. With the completion of this stage, our project was ready to enter the realization or product manufacturing phase. In conclusion, over these 3 weeks, we have complete comprehensive preparations from literature reviews and work plan development to administrative preparations. Thus, we are ready to move on to the next stage, the project development and implementation phase.
Okay. In week 4 and 5.
Sabar.
Next slide. Okay. In week 4 and 5, we continued with the construction design and began collection components from the laboratory. Although some components were not yet available in the laboratory because they had not arrived yet. So, in the 6 weeks, we continued our work. We took the linear rod and cut it using the grinding machine. We also took the acrylic and cut it according to the design we had made. cutting it using a laser cutting tool. Okay, and in the 7 week, we start filling out our backlog and logbook, and we also prepared a PowerPoint presentation as a reference.
Alright, this is my turn. So on this slide, we present the main outputs of our project so far. The first output is design system,
which is a 3D
which is a
model
3D model of our Cartesian-based control machine.
model. So
This model shows the frame structure, actuator position, working area, and the movement mechanism of each axis.
it serves as our
It
primary
serves as our primary reference before we move on to fabrication and assembly.
to achieve this
To achieve this
design.
design,
We started
we
with the
started with the
research
research phase.
phase. Through this phase,
During this phase,
we prepare
we
our
prepare
PBL
our PBL learning plan
or RPP,
or RPP,
which outlines
which outlines
goals,
the project goals,
weekly workflow,
learning
learning
methods,
success indicators.
success indicators.
We also
We
conduct
also conducted research on several exciting Cartesian machines,
both from online
both from
source
online source
and examples
and
available
examples
in our
available in our campus workshop,
so that
to
our
ensure that our design is realistic and meets practical requirements.
After completing the
After
research,
completing the research,
the component
we
stage,
move to the component stage.
we
Here,
identified and collected all
we
the
identified all the
component
component
needs
needs for the
This
project.
includes prime materials
This
such
includes prime materials such as acrylic
aluminium profiles,
and aluminum profiles, separate motor process movement, belts, or lead screw,
smaller part
and
like
smaller
nuts,
part like
bolts, and
nuts,
brackets.
bolts, and brackets.
Proper component
Proper
preparation
components preparation
is important to
is
ensure
important to ensure
progress during
progress
assembly
during the
phase.
assembly phase.
Next is the electrical
Next is the
section.
electrical section.
In this part,
In this
we
part,
design the
we
electrical
design the
system
electrical system that
the entire
controls the
machine.
entire machine.
Stepper motors
The
are
stepper
connected
motors are connected to the
to the motor.
motor.
We also add a limit
We
switch
also add a limit switch on each end of the axis, a safety sensor,
preventing the system
from moving beyond its limit.
Overall, in this
Overall,
output stage, we have
completed three major parts: research and preparation of the learning plan, component organization,
and
and electrical system design.
Softwoods
Softwoods form the foundation before we proceed to assembly and functional testing of the Cartesian machine.
Next.
Next.
Okay, our project schedule. Starting in week 8, we plan to coat the acrylic with a color buffer and design a push button casing to improve the appearance and functionality of the buttons. In week 9, we will focus on basic assembly of the acrylic and ensure that all necessary components are complete and properly installed so the next process can run smoothly. In week 10 to 11, we plan to continue mechanical assembly and electrical installation so that the overall system can be applied. In week 12, we will sequential testing, troubleshooting if we encounter any obstacles. So what's the project can run according to target without any obstacle. Next, in week 13, we will complete and fill out all administration form and available on SIAP PBL website as part of the project documents and report. Finally, in week 14, we will focus on preparing benchmark to evaluate the overall work result and project achievement. Next.
Next. Okay, problem. The problem procedure for implementing project-based learning, supply components, and malfunction laser cutting machine. So during the progress we have made in this project, we encountered several problems, including we had difficulty finding information on how to conduct PBL. So we had to search for information ourselves on the internet. Also, as our senior, we had previous experience with PBL. We also encountered obstacles in the distribution of component. So we were unable to complete the product assembly process. Then we were cutting the acrylic. We encountered a problem where the machine broke down during the cutting process, resulting in imperfect cut. So we need more time to wait for the acrylic to be cut perfectly. In fact, we were only able to receive the acrylic pieces in their entry the next day.
Okay, I will. So in this project that we have been doing, we have gained insight about the procedure and implementation that are usually carried out in project-based learning. And we have also gained a lot of experience in creating projects, such as how to use machines that we had never seen before, and we're unfamiliar with that. We also learned how to use software that is usually used in designing mechanical, such as OneShip, AutoCAD, and also we know more about electrical design. Uh, that's all from us. We apologize for any shortcomings, and we need feedback for the future evaluation. We will try to do better next time. Thank you for your attention. See you.